Are you looking as wakesurfing continues to explode in popularity? More enthusiasts are turning to wakeshapers to upgrade their wave quality without replacing their boats. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious surfer, the right wakeshaper can make all the difference. In this guide, we evaluate the best wakeshapers based on wave performance, build quality, ease of use, durability, and value for money, helping you catch the perfect wave every time. Listen, Hyperlight Automatic Wake Surfboard. The Hyperlight Automatic Wake Surfboard combines performance-driven design with user-friendly handling. Featuring a hybrid surf-style shape and carbon-infused construction, this board delivers aggressive carving while maintaining a forgiving ride. The Durashell construction adds durability without weighing it down, making it great for both beginners and seasoned surfers. With a quad fin setup, riders can tweak their traction and maneuverability easily. While it's not a traditional wakeshaper, pairing this board with a high-quality wakeshaper enhances performance drastically. Ideal for riders seeking versatility and consistent wave control, the Hyperlight Automatic is a solid investment for your wakesurfing gear arsenal. List of Swell Wakesurf Creator Slim H3X Original Slim Wakeshaper. The Swell Wakesurf Creator Slim H3X stands out with its rotating design and dynamic texture, offering fine-tuned control over wave shape. The rotating faceplate allows for precision angle adjustments, optimizing wavelength and steepness. Its slim profile is ideal for boats with narrow hulls or built-in steps. Installation is quick with industrial-strength suction cups, and it's compact enough for easy storage. This wakeshaper works great across a variety of boat types, offering a big wave upgrade without permanent installation. The H3X is especially appealing to wake surfers who want a customizable ride without complex hardware. List 3 Wakeshaper for wake surfing. Easier magnetic attachment. This wakeshaper redefines ease of use with a magnetic attachment system that allows you to switch sides in seconds. Ideal for boats with compatible metal hulls or those using metal adapters. No suction cups, no screwing around, just snap it on and ride. The magnetic force is strong enough to stay in place even during aggressive maneuvers. The performance is equally impressive, producing clean, long waves with minimal drag. This is perfect for families or riders who like to alternate sides quickly, offering maximum flexibility with minimum hassle. It's especially helpful for multi-rider sessions. List number: Sylvan Wavemaker Surfgate Shaper. The Sylvan Wavemaker brings surfgate-style shaping to the everyday wake surfer. With a broad, angular gate design, it channels water efficiently to build taller, cleaner, and pushier waves. The adjustable gate angle offers control over wave height and curl. Built from UV-resistant marine-grade materials, it's tough enough for seasons of heavy use. Installation is done via heavy-duty suction cups, and the base includes a tether system to prevent accidental loss. It's a more affordable alternative to factory surf systems, but still delivers impressive results. Great for boats of various sizes and riders seeking wave power and size. List number 5. Liquid Force Wakesurf Edge Wakeshaper Pro 100. Compact design, big performance. Compact yet powerful, the Liquid Force Wakesurf Edge Pro 100 punches above its size. Designed for boats with narrow hull lines or stepped edges, its compact footprint allows for more placement options without sacrificing wave quality. The high-efficiency water displacement face helps sculpt a wave with plenty of push and length. Perfect for long rides and advanced tricks. The shaper uses ultra-strong suction mounts with built-in release tabs for easy removal. It's a great pick for those who want high-end performance in a space-saving package, and one of the best options for smaller or older boats.